city in the world has the highest population density? A. Tokyo, B. Delhi, C. Shanghai. Correct answer is A. Tokyo. Which country was the first to discover water on the moon? A. United States, B. India, C. Russia. Correct answer is B. India. Which animal sweats pink? A. Rhinoceros, B. Hippopotamus, C. Kangaroo. Correct answer is B. Hippopotamus. Which country has the highest number of billionaires? A. United States, B. China, C. India. Correct answer is A. United States. Which country has the highest population in the world? Can you guess? A. China, B. India, C. United States. Correct answer is B. India. In the animal kingdom, which is considered the most loyal? A. Dog, B. Cat, C. Elephant. Correct answer is A. Dog. Which bird never perches on a tree branch to rest? A. Parrot, B. Swan, C. Albatross. Correct answer is C. Albatross. Which Indian state imposes a fine of 10,000 rupees for having a third child? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Kerala. Correct answer is B. Assam. Which fortunate country in the world has never experienced an earthquake? A. Japan, B. Brazil, C. Australia. Correct answer is B. Brazil. Which vitamin is most helpful in healing wounds quickly in your body? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D. Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. When was the nationwide Janata curfew imposed in India? A. The 22nd of March 2020, B. The 25th of March 2020, C. The 15th of August 2020. Correct answer is A. 22 March 2020. At which place is the Kumbh Mela not organized? A. Haridwar, B. Nashik, C. Varanasi. Correct answer is C. Varanasi. In which direction does the Kaveri river flow? A. East, B. West, C. North. Correct answer is A. East. Which city is known by the nickname City of Nawabs? A. Lucknow, B. Hyderabad, C. Bhopal. Correct answer is A. Lucknow. When was Chandrayaan 2 launched? A. The 22nd of July 2019, B. The 15th of August 2018, C. 5 नवंबर 2013. Correct answer is A. The 22nd of July 2019. Which color represents a river on a map? A. Blue, B. Green, C. Brown. Correct answer is A. Blue. Where is vitamin A stored in the human body? A. Liver, B. Heart, C. Kidneys. Correct answer is A. Liver. Before Delhi, which city was the capital of India? A. Kolkata, B. Mumbai, C. Chennai. Correct answer is A. Kolkata. Which bird is the largest in size? A. Eagle, B. Ostrich, C. Albatross. Correct answer is B. Ostrich. Which fruit never gets infested by insects? A. Banana, B. Pineapple, C. Guava. Correct answer is B. Pineapple.